It all started when a windstorm broke our patio umbrella, leaving us with no form of shade in the afternoons on our deck. My wife went to Rite Aid to pick up a prescription, and she noticed all the summer stuff was on closeout. So she bought this patio umbrella. Actually, it's just a beach umbrella for something like $11. But to get the discount, she had to fill out the stuff for a Rite Aid card. Then, a month or so later, she got what looked for all the world like some sort of weird scam email saying, "Congratulations, you won free ice cream for a year." Which is weird, and I told her to just ignore it, delete the email. But she looked into it, and she called Rite Aid Corporate, and they confirmed that she had indeed won free ice cream for a year. Well, today the box arrived from Rite Aid, and I'm going to show you what all's in it. Okay, here's the box we got today, and here's everything in it. The original award-winning taste. The envelope, please. Congratulations. Your entry in the National Thrifty Ice Cream Month sweepstakes. Blah, blah, blah. You can pause it and read all that. $300 gift card. And all this stuff. This really cool ice cream scoop. I really like this. I can't wait to try that one out. A fanny pack. Thrifty ice cream fanny pack.
It's a cozy.
Scoop up some smiles. Koozie or cozy?
Holds a cup.
It holds the cup. There's the cups. Also, thrifty ice cream. Thrifty ice cream spoons. Thrifty ice cream beach ball. And a thrifty ice cream. And a thrifty ice cream
Beach towel.
That's it. And that's it. But
Pretty awesome.
I'm pretty happy. And now comes the fun part, enjoying all this free thrifty ice cream. Okay, the directions say push straight in until it bottoms out without twisting it.
It's too hard.
Give it a twist. Just like that. Ta-da! And you can stack it however high you want. Now, I have to say, the thrifty ice cream is really good, but I want to show you all this. The spoons they sent, when put in the ice cream, or held in your hand, change color. I wonder if you can buy that at the store. I have to say, this thrifty ice cream is really good. And look at all the cherries in the cherry, and all the pecans in the butter pecan. Wow, that's good. So thank you, Rite Aid. And thank you, Thrifty Ice Cream.